Atkins Civil 3D video series, reference SWR, data reference SWR objects. This video illustrates update the project base drawing, A. Default settings for deref of SWR objects, and B. Create deref of SWR network objects. The C-SWR service, EX-SWR post demo, and the EX-SWR service post demo objects are derefed into the project base drawing, which in turn are automatically shown on the other category improvement drawings. The EX-SWR demo, EX-SWR post demo, EX-SWR service demo, and EX-SWR service post demo objects are derefed into the demolition drawing. The data shortcuts for the SWR objects need to be created in the SWR improvement source drawing prior to being derefed into other drawings. The project base drawing is shown with the layer manager open. The Civil 3D objects in a deref drawing need to be more subdued than in the source drawing in which they were created. The layer colors for C-SWR objects are shown to be in the 90 series, which are shaded or ghosted when plotted. The layer colors for derefed objects need to be modified prior to being derefed into a drawing. It is difficult to modify the layer colors after the objects have been derefed. The layer colors for EX-SWR objects are also shown to be in the 90 series, except -demo, which are white. EX-SWR-demo objects are derefed only into the demolition drawing. The -demo layer colors are white so that they will stand out if inadvertently derefed into a drawing. The layer defaults need to be set prior to objects being derefed into a drawing and are initially set for C-SWR. Tool space, right-click Drawing Name, Edit Drawing Settings, Object Layers, Pipe C-SWR, Pipe Labeling C-SWR Text, Pipe and Structure Table C-SWR Text, Pipe Network Section C-SWR, Pipe or Structure Profile C-SWR, Structure C-SWR, Structure Labeling C-SWR Text. OK. C-SWR objects are derefed into the base drawing and other improvement drawings, but not the demolition drawing. Create deref of SWR objects, Prospector, Data Shortcuts, Expand Pipe Networks, right-click C-SWR, Create Reference, Source Network C-SWR, Network Name C-SWR, Network Parts List, C-SWR, Layers, C-SWR, ensure that all layers are correct. OK. Override reference surface none. Override reference alignment none. Include source labels none. Pipe label style none. OK. The C-SWR parts are drawn in plan view. The base drawing shows two viewports with plan on top and profile on bottom. All layers have been turned off except C-SWR, road concrete improvements, C3D profile view, and existing road name. Draw parts in profile. Pick pipes and manholes to display in a single profile view. Move cursor and right click. Draw parts in profile view. As prompted, pick the appropriate profile view. Repeat for all C-SWR parts. The default layers for C-SWR service pipes, Pipe Network Section, Pipe or Structure Profile, and Structures are shown. OK. C-SWR service parts are derefed into the base drawing and other improvement drawings, but not the demolition drawing. Prospector, Expand Pipe Networks, right-click C-SWR, Create Reference. C-SWR Service, Network Parts List, C-SWR Service, Layers, C-SWR Service, OK. All the rest are correct, OK. C-SWR service parts are not drawn in profile. The default layers for existing SWR pipe, Pipe Labeling, Pipe and Structure Table, Pipe Network Section, Pipe or Structure Profile, Structure, and Structure Labeling are shown. OK. Existing SWR post demo objects are derefed into the base drawing and other improvement drawings, but not the demolition drawing. Deref existing sewer post demo objects. Prospector. Right-click existing sewer post demo. Create reference. Source pipe. Existing sewer post demo. Network name. Existing sewer post demo. Parts list. Existing sewer. Layers. Existing sewer. Okay. All the rest are okay. Okay. EX sewer parts are drawn in profile. The default layers for existing sewer service pipe, pipe network section, pipe or structure profile, and structures are shown. Okay. Existing sewer service post-demo objects are derefed into the base drawing and other improvement drawings, but not the demolition drawing. Sewer service objects are not drawn in profile. Deref existing sewer service post-demo objects. Prospector. Right-click existing sewer service post-demo objects. Create reference. Network existing sewer service post-demo parts list. Existing sewer service. Layers, existing sewer service, okay, okay. Default layers for the existing sewer service demo network are shown. Pipe, pipe network section, pipe or structure profile, and structures, okay. Existing sewer service demo parts are derefed only in the demolition drawing and are not drawn in profile. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.